I love Dulce. What? You don't know what Dulce is? It means candy. This is a chocolate. That means chocolate in Spanish. This is an osito de goma. That means gummy bear. This is a caramelo o a bonbon. That means taffy in Spanish. And this is a chupete. That means lollipop in Spanish. All right, let's sing the Dulce song. We call candy dulce. We call candy dulce. It's good to me. It's good to me because we love chocolate and we love gummies, and it hurts my tummy when we eat too much, and we love some taffy and we love lollipops and we have too much dulce. Oh my! Adios!